Hey guys, it's Mike here from Simple Nursing. Now, if you've ever felt buried under lectures, flashcards, and 400-page textbooks, and somehow still not retaining anything, trust me, you're not alone. Nursing school is a whole different animal. That's why I brought in one of our favorite instructors, Nurse Allison, to break down exactly how to study smarter and not harder, so you can stop pulling brutal all-nighters and actually remember what you learn. She's going to walk you through the same proven study strategy we've refined here at Simple Nursing, after helping well over 1 million students pass nursing school and crush the NCLEX. All right, I'll let Nurse Allison take it from here.
Thanks, Mike. So here's the deal. This isn't just theory. This is the exact method we use with our students every single day to help them simplify even the most complicated nursing topics. All right, let's get into it. Here's the thing. Nursing school isn't just about memorizing facts. It's about critical thinking and prioritization, because in real life, all the answers might be right, but you have to pick the most correct one. Think about it. Your brain is juggling pathophysiology, interventions, lab values, patient safety, all at the same time. And here's the twist. You can't study the same way you did in undergrad. If you're still just rereading notes or highlighting everything, you're setting yourself up for burnout and bad grades. Real quick, drop a comment down below with your worst study habit. I promise we've all got at least one. Now, let's break down a nursing school study framework that actually works. Step 1, build a weekly plan that actually works. You've got to block out study sessions by subject. Don't just fit it in around life. Start with your hardest or most confusing topics first, while your brain's fresh. And please, skip the marathon study days. Instead, try the Pomodoro technique. The what? It's 25 minutes of focused work, 5-minute break. Do 3 rounds, then take a longer 30-minute break. And here's a pro tip if you want to save time. Simple Nursing has study guides that show you exactly what's testable, so you're not wasting hours on fluff. Now let's put it into practice. Pause here and map out the 2 hardest topics for your next study block. Step 2, use active recall and spaced repetition. Don't just read. Test yourself constantly. Turn your notes into questions, cover the answer, and see if you can explain it without peeking. Then review that topic on day 1, day 3, and day 7, because spaced repetition is the secret sauce for long-term retention. Our quiz builder lets you make custom NCLEX-style tests straight from your class topics. Instant active recall with 0 guesswork. Jot down one topic you're learning right now and write 1 question for it before this video ends. Step 3, turn lectures into study questions. After class, take 5 to 10 minutes to write 3 to 5 NCLEX-style questions on what you've just learned. Use your professor's class objectives because they love testing directly from them. The goal here is to think like the test maker, not just the test taker. And by doing this, you're reinforcing what you learned and identifying those weak spots early. These don't have to be perfect. And for help in writing these, check out our guide to NCLEX-style questions in the description below. Step 4, study with the NCLEX in mind from day 1. Every nursing school exam is basically a mini NCLEX. So focus on application, not just memorization. Learn your prioritizing frameworks now, ADPIE, ABCs, and know what's life-threatening versus non-urgent. And here's the golden rule. Only answer based on the information given. Don't make up extra details. As my instructors used to say, don't go on a safari. Step 5, teach what you know. If you can explain it simply, like you're teaching a patient, then you truly understand it. Try recording yourself or explaining it to a classmate, a friend, or even your dog. And if you don't think that we practice what we preach, this is exactly why Mike started Simple Nursing and actually passed nursing school. Check out his old whiteboard videos on YouTube if you want to see. Step 6, mix it up. Rotate between solo study, group sessions, and tutoring. Different methods keep your brain engaged and help you to find blind spots before the test does. Now, what not to do. Avoid these like the plague. Rereading notes without testing yourself. Highlighting everything, waiting until the night before, or passive studying, meaning no practice questions. But here's what real students say works. I used to cram and barely pass. Once I switched to short, focused study burst, I graduated with a 4.0. Don't assume anything in the question. Use only the details given. Break big topics into smaller chunks. Crossing them off a list is surprisingly motivating. Nursing school is hard enough. You don't need to waste time figuring out what to study or how to keep it all straight. Here's how Simple Nursing takes the heavy lifting off your plate. Simple Nursing Study Guides. No fluff, no filler, just the must-know, testable information organized in a way that's easy to follow so you can focus your energy on mastering what matters most. Animated videos. We break down complicated concepts into simple, visual lessons that actually stick. These aren't boring lectures. They're designed for your brain to remember under test day pressure. Quiz Builder. Turn your class notes and topics into NCLEX-Style practice questions. You control the topics, difficulty, and timing so you can prep in a way that's personalized to exactly what you're learning right now. Nursing school doesn't have to feel like drowning in flashcards and caffeine. When you follow a plan, test yourself often, and focus on understanding instead of memorizing, you'll retain more and stress less. And if you want to make that process even easier, grab your free trial of Simple Nursing. You'll get instant access to study guides, videos, and the quiz builder, so you can focus on learning, not just surviving nursing school. You've got this, and we've got you.